Welcome guys once again to the class style. I'm happy to be in your company today. My sister was working or assisting her friend in a party supply store, and this was a piece that was made for the store. It was in the center of the store, but it took up vital space. So I actually held on there for a while at the party store until the owner found someone. So she had two options. My friend of mine wanted to purchase this from her because she was gonna get rid of it. She was gonna break it down and all that. I mean, it was pretty good, but it took up vital space. She did not want to take it at the other store that she was going at. Now this is the front of it. What I found kind of interesting or weird is that instead of opening from the front, it opened from the back. So you had to stand in the front and open it up like this. And if this was buttered against the wall, it would have been hard to get items in here. Oh, this is a good storage box, and I had it in the living room here. I'll explain to you the process. I recovered it and I shelved the top. I haven't finished this yet. As you notice, it ran out and I still have this piece to do. So my friend did not bother to take it because it was too bulky, and she told me to take it apart and let them get rid of it. Now we did take it apart in the store. We took off these sections because I thought the top shells was nice and I would have kept the top shells. So when he took this part, I said, look, don't bother to think it. It will come in handy, and I will take it instead, because it was going to be thrown out instead. Otherwise, it was going to be dumped, and somebody would have seen the potential in the pieces, because he was just dismantling this whole section here and probably taking off the top and so on. So I said, don't worry. So he himself brought it up for me. It has been in the living room. Like I said, I recovered this. So guys, I decided it was just too bulky for this space. It's taking up too much of vital space. I decided to cut it off, and I realized under was a bit soggy. Now guys, this is a power-up collab that I enjoy. It's a power-up collab hosted by Cancera DIY and the lovely OK at Home DIY, and a whole bunch of powerful ladies who are not afraid to use power tools and get our hands dirty. So this is my piece, and I did paper the top. I'm just trying to pull off some. I did paint it, and I was using it in the back for storage, but I decided, it has a bit of potential, but the bottom of it was kind of weather soaked and rotted. So I'm just going to give it a good revamp and see what I come up with. So I'm just going to put it in place in the back here. We have a lot of stuff to do, so this is my work area for now. And what I am doing is measuring up to where the good parts are, and I'm going to use my circular saw to get that cut out. And I'm just putting my measurements down in place, turning it to the other side to get my measurements on that other side. Now guys, do check out in the description box for all the other lovely ladies who are participating in this collab, and I'm just bringing it closer for you to see. This is the part that's kind of rotted, so I'm just going to get rid of that and cut it so that it's going to have some legs on the side of it. So guys, you do need safety glasses and a glove, but I realized I could not use these safety glasses because I wear glasses and I was not seeing clearly in it, and I could not find my gloves. But be careful, do use your safety equipment. And this is the area here that I am going to be making this particular shelving for, and I had to shift my jigsaw because the circular saw was not working, and I'm just using my guys, I went pricing some tools this morning, and I priced a nail gun, and it is so darn expensive here. but I really want to get a nail gun, and together with a screw gun, I find it's economical for some projects that you may want to do, but that's in my future. So it's painting time, guys. I love using Showing Williams, guys, and the coverage is excellent. And this color particularly, it comes off in different lightings, like a blue or like a dark, a lighter shade of the grays, or even like a lilac, because I had it in different lightings, and that's the different hues that I have gotten from it. So I'm just painting the whole piece. And guys, here what I realized. I did not realize that I could have painted over the adhesive paper, and the paint went on excellent. So I did give it a first coat, and I'm going to come in with a second coat, and I just have to sandpaper the edges, but it looked great. It turned out looking just like the wood. I was so surprised. So guys, I have two other cubbies or shelving to do, but that's a later date. I did order from Amazon for metallic pens and some other items which I'll share with you later on. And what I'm going to do is just use the pens and together with my Sharpie to put something nice on this piece. So I'm just freehand writing the word home, and then I'm going to use my Sharpie and get that um, stenciled on nicely. Guys, there is going to be a $25 gift card to Amazon viewers, and you must comment a secret word in each video on the playlist. So do head across and visit all the ladies in the playlist. Do comment on their secret words, and you may be eligible to win this $25 gift card. So stay tuned. So guys, I am just continuing writing on with my Sharpie and going in and highlighting everything, and I am using the metallic white that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going in the little circles and highlighting it with the white. I thought this will bring it out and really add a little, vamp to it. So I hope you like it. And I am so surprised at how lovely this piece turned out. I am really happy how it looks. It is lovely. It is small enough to fit in the space, and I was surprised that it also fit in the space allotted for it. So guys, my secret word is nail gun, and make sure to comment on my secret word and all the rest of the ladies in their comment box. They will have their secret words. So again, mine is nail gun. So look how this fit in the space perfectly, guys. I am so proud of how it turned out. I love this little area, and I'm going to share these particular rooms with you because this whole room is being made over. But these are all pieces that I have done previously, and put them throughout the home, so each piece have a space now and it's not cramped up all together. So I hope you have enjoyed my presentation and this lovely powerful queens that we have going on here. And I hope that you head across to all the ladies channels, do comment, like and share in the description box. And I hope you have enjoyed all the presentations that we have done for you. And I just brought in some white hues and black, just black is a elegant color, and some lovely lanterns and little other trinkets to make the room feel more homely to me. I want this room to be my craft room plus sewing, but I still want it to have that elegance that you can come in and sip a cup of coffee or just relax in it with all my favorite things. So thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for being in my company, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.